Hi, so these are some designs that were created by an AI tool called Z.ai, but this AI tool does not actually have a feature where you can generate a picture. This is not like Gemini's Nano Banana or ChatGPT GPT 4.0. Instead, these are actually just some nice looking websites that are converted into a picture. And the benefit of this approach is the text will be more accurate and the design is fully customizable. Now, technically, this is not a new feature in Z.ai because this has been around for quite some time, but recently they just upgraded their model to GLM 4.6, and with this model it has expanded context window, it has better performance, better reasoning, and better agentic capability. And from my testing, I think the feature where you can create designs using this model is becoming more accurate and produces less glitch or bugs. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Z.ai to generate a design from brochure, poster, or infographics with just a simple instruction. So what you need to do is, of course, you have to navigate to chat.z.ai and then you can create or log into your account. And by the way, even right now, this tool is somehow still free, which is just really amazing. And this time around, to create a design, you can enable something called Magic Design. Again, this is not creating a picture, this is creating a website that can be converted into a PDF document or a picture. Now for instruction, I'm going to be using this one. You can use an instruction and you can also provide some documents if you want to, but this is the basic instruction that I'm going to use. And since this AI tool comes with reasoning and web search capability, it is actually smart enough to get the latest information and some references that could be implemented into the design. Now after that, you can click this button and just wait for GLM for Z.ai to think about the request and generate the content. So this process might take several minutes and I'll just skip forward and show you the final result. Alright, so I got this design and I think it looks really good. And by the way, this is not from just a single prompt. I actually have to go back and forth with the AI tool to make sure that it is designing something that close to my vision, but overall I don't have to do anything other than just instruction AI to change something on the design. And in case you want to go back to the previous version of the design, you can always click this option and then select the design that you want to go back to. Now in this case, I want to use the final design and I want to download this content to my device. To do that, you can click the share button right here, and then you can select either you want to export the file as PDF or images, but in this case I'll choose PDF and just wait for the file to be converted into a PDF document, and later you can click the download button from the box that will appear right here. Okay, there you go. I'm going to click this. And let me just open that document on a browser. And there you go. So I think that's actually decent. It is something that can be used for social media or Instagram. So that's basically how you can use the Magic Design from Z.ai to design basically anything. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video.